Ugh. Looks like there might be some snow.
I sure hope not.
Why's that?
Because, Rebecca, I have a long-distance goods train tonight.
Oh,
Yeesh. Tough break, Tyler.
Yeah, I know, Joseph.
Well, I have to go. My goods won't move themselves. Be careful, you two.
I should be heading out as well. See you guys later.
Will do. See you tomorrow. When will I be able to leave? The weather looks really bad.
We're going as fast as we can. Please hold on. Hey, Dean! The boss will make you work overtime if she sees you sitting around. Get back to work!
Calm down, Michael. No need to yell. We've got plenty of time before this train leaves.
Well, I don't want to be working on this in the snow, so shake a leg! Sorry about that. We'll get that done as soon as we can.
Yes! I beat the snow!
Excuse me, good sir. Are you busy?
Not currently? Why?
We have a freight train that needs to be taken, but, our engineer is stuck in the snow. Would you be able to help us out?
Of course. I'll log this delivery, and I'll call my supervisor to let them know.
Oh, thank you. I will get the paperwork.
So goods train, all the freight, all the stops. It won't be a problem.
Thank you so much.
Ah, dang it. What am I supposed to do now?
Tell the snow crew to prioritize the main line. We're stopping all trains due to weather.
Will do.
We've lost communications. What shall we do?
Send Jim on his engine to survey the damage. And tell him to bring a crane.
Hey, Jim, start your engine up. You're needed.
I got a call that all trains are to be stopped due to snow.
I'm not surprised. Thanks for the information. Can I bunker down in the station?
Of course, right this way. I have a fire and hot cocoa inside.
It seems rather dark here.
Yeah, the power went out not too long after the call came in.
Guess I can't use your phone then.
Well, you can, but it won't do much at all.
This isn't working. How far will I have to walk?
So, what were you scheduled to do tonight?
Well, when you caught me, I was taking a slow goods train to... Seems like a strange night for a stroll, sir.
Not in the mood, Joseph.
Tyler, I thought you would have been long gone.
Well, you would be wrong. My train is stuck a few miles down the line.
Well, come on inside. We still have plenty of cocoa.
Jim, I need you to clear a path to the end of the line in case we need help from the other railway.
Of course.
So why were you only a few miles from here? I thought your train was meant for farther away.
It was, but after I left the harbor late, I had to drive slowly due to the snow. The buildup became too much and my engine got trapped. After failing to dig it out myself, I walked back the way I came.
Well, I'm glad you're all right.
As am I, but does that mean your train is still on the main line?
Yeah, it is. I wasn't going anywhere, and no other trains were going by.
Fair. I'll help you get it later.
Well, for the time being, I'll put a red lantern outside. Safety first, you know.
I saw the red light. Is somebody in trouble?
No, we hung it out there because my train stuck in the snow a few miles from here.
Well, I'm here to take you guys to the main yard near the harbor.
I have my own engine here. Shall I follow you back to the yards?
If you help me get Tyler's train out of the snow, then you can go back to the yards. I've already plowed the track.
And if you get stuck, then just wait until his return trip.
Very funny, Todd.
I'm glad to see you're all okay.
Well, you wouldn't want it stuck in the snow.
Of course not. Thanks for sending Jim out, Rebecca.
You're welcome, Joseph.
Can one of you two please help me move some trucks?
Yeah, of course.
All the tracks have been checked. The only thing blocking them now is the snow.
Right, the plows will stay out then. We'll deal with this all tomorrow. Have a good night, everyone.
Oh, finally I can go home.
Well, I better go deliver my train. I'm sure that it's long overdue.
Right behind you, Ty.
That's my cue. Have a good day, you two. Hey, Dean. What do we pay you for? Get back to work.
Yes, miss.
I told you.
Shut up!
Did you guys forget your trains?
No, I think you forgot you have a passenger train coming.
Oop, you're right. Gotta dash.
See you later.
Bye, ta-da!